He was a murderer turned deliverer. What was his past? Moses killed an Egyptian and fled in fear. How did God see him? God called Moses to lead Israel out of Egypt despite his past. And what's the lesson? Our past failures do not disqualify us from God's calling. How about Rahab? Rahab was a prostitute turned faith hero. What does faith hero mean? It refers to a woman who demonstrates extraordinary faith in God, taking bold actions based on trust in Him. So Rahab was a prostitute in Jericho. How God saw her. Because of her faith in God, she helped Israel's spies and later became part of Jesus' lineage. And what's the lesson? God redeems and restores those with sinful past when they put their trust in Him. And let's go to Paul, a persecutor turned apostle. What was his past? Paul, formerly Saul, persecuted Christians and approved of their deaths. Then how did God see him? Jesus transformed him into a devoted apostle who spread the gospel. Then the lesson here is God's grace can change even the hardest hearts and use them for His glory. And let's go to Peter, a denier turned church leader.